How to get $100 Amazon working promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Amazon promo codes and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get access to Amazon working promo codes. So open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one. Coupon follow. This is the legit website. Once you're any website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Amazon. $50 off, 10% off, 80% off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you want to get the code for it. Copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Amazon. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Then you can log into your account, make your purchase, and use this code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Amazon. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Amazon. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for Amazon. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.